for SAD user PCP ADM. Then so the password we have to use it here. So let's see where we are here. So I hope we have implemented in the last session, there is a missing notes concept. I think that notes and all we have implemented, right? That notes and all we have implemented, everything is fine, I guess, right? So, but the session is got cancelled, I see. The session got cancelled, right? So, in case your sum session got cancelled, very important. So, you want to resume your activity, just you can just open the URL, just to provide the, so your SID ADM user and password, then it will start from where it got stopped. It will stop from where it got started, where it got stopped. So means we can resume the activity. It's not like that. You have to go to the starting, then you have to start from scratch. So you no need. So you no need. Just we are in the extraction phase. Maybe I think 2-3 steps it got before. Maybe I will go back. Okay. So in the extraction phase, right, we are continuing with the configuration phase now, right? In the extraction phase, we have the SAP phases are available here, right? They are the 6 roadmap steps. Or SAP SUM, these are the some process, some steps, some phases, multiple people, they will call it as the some phases. These are the some roadmap steps. After the starting the sum, we have the steps are called the, one is the extraction phase. So what exactly happened in the extraction phase here? In the extraction phase, we have provided the passwords, right? And also we have provided the then extraction phase, we have provided the password, then so extracted the softwares, all the packages. You don't need to extract it. Some tool will take care of the extract the patches, scan the patches, extract the patches, scan the patches, then so missing note implementations, some notes it will detect it, missing note implementations. So all these things, etc. These are the main things here. So if someone asking you what are the things we can see, what is mean by extraction phase, what will happen, which means you need to tell 1 or 2 steps. It's not like that entire thing you want to say. You need to remember. You don't need to remember all those things. The main steps are important here. Missing note implementation, scanning the, extracting the softwares. It will take care of that one. After few minutes, when it is going from extraction to configuration, it will ask your confirmation, like continue with the roadmap step of the configuration. Each and every step, it will ask your confirmation. Each and every step means in the configuration, we have the n number of pages, right? Not in this phases. So when it's going from main phases, configuration to checks to pre-processing, here to here, that time it will ask your confirmation. Just click on the next button, right? It will start from the configuration phase here. In the configuration phase, see here, it is running. It is the play symbol. It is running. That is completed. Then there is the next one. Then that is completed. Then next one. Like this, it will go to the sub pages one by one. But once the configuration is completed, when it's go to the checks page, that time it will ask your confirmation. Right? So what will happen here? So in the configuration phase, it will ask the uptime, how many parameters. Like here it is the configuration of the parameters here. So whatever the choosing the parameters here, how many parameters uptime you required, uptime how many parameters, downtime how many parameters. So whether we have the any SPDD transports, SPAU transports, any customer related STMS transports, you have anything, it kind of transports, majorly transports it will ask. Then configuration of the parameters, uptime, configuration of the parameters means configuration of the parameters like uptime, how many BTC process, downtime, how many process, SQL process. So R3 trans process, all the process it will ask in the configuration, in the configuration tab. Then transports it will ask us. Then so then so which, so you can see the so add-ons. So which version? First it is target release. This one is same. So all are same. This we are not going to change it. That's why we want to keep the same version. Yes, we want to keep the same version here. Just click on the next button here, right? So it's validating the all the business add-ons and everything. It is validating here. It is validating the all those things here. So it's validating. See here, it is validating here. So we have to wait. We cannot skip any phase from here in the task list, right? It will take care of the one by one, all the phases. It means you don't need to remember the all the phases here. Just you need to remember the what what exactly happens in the each and every step. That is the in detailed discussion, right? In detailed discussion. So here configuration of the parameters, uptime, transports, and also the add-on selection here means how many, what are the patches, add-on selection here. So these things will happen in the, so add-on calculations, add-on selection here. So these things will ask, will take it further here, component information. So many things are there, it will come. So then checks phase, then pre-processing phase, then execution phase, like that will come. Now, these three are common. These three are just preparation steps here. So checks phase also, it will check the free space at application level, DB level, any inconsistencies, any failed update records. So any queues, RFCs, anything is failed, it will detect, it will give the errors in the sum screen here. So, but as part of the preparation steps, we already checked and we have already cleared the old updates. Nothing is there. So we are good here, right? We are good to progress these steps now, right? So it will, so here select the support packages that you want to include here. So it's already, this is going, so see here what it is going to change here. 18. So this is going to the 1. So this is going to 26. Here target levels. Target levels it is calculating here. So target level it is calculating here how much what is it is going and which patch levels are updating. So this is going here. All those things are it is choosing here. All those things are it is choosing here. Right? It is choosing the all those things here. Right? So here the bind patch. Bind patch means for what is the source patch level, target patch level, it is going to do that one. Then once you choose this button, okay, then it will take the next button here. It is going to the next button here, next tab here, next button here, right? Next tab here. So like this, step by step, within the step, it will take it. Some steps it's required the our confirmation. Just you need to click the next button. Just not blindly click the next button. You choose it, read it. So then click the next button here, right? Just it will import the, it will what it will do, it will normally whatever the packages we have, it will create the bundle of transports in the system here. In the STMS, you'll see the bundle of transports, it will create it here. So bundle of transports, it will create it here. Something wrong, it's not reading. TMS configuration is wrong here. See here. Definitely some tool will fail here. Some tool will fail here. Configuration is wrong. Someone, I think you have done the configuration, right? Someone please perform the TMS configuration, correct the configuration. Right? We have already completed, right? So otherwise, what will happen now? You'll see after some time. So after some time in one of the phase, so some tool will stop it due to the TMS inconsistencies and everything. Buffers are not reading, so it will detect the issues here, right? So it is checking conflicts, checking everything. It is checking now. So extraction, configuration, checks are, so nothing will happen in the system. Just it is the preparation activities for the shadow system. So in the pre-processing phase, the shadow system will be created. In the pre-processing phase, the shadow will be created here in the pre-processing phase. Pre-processing phase, the shadow will be created here. Then so here in the execution phase, so data will be copied from the your shadow system to the main system here. So while copying the data, your main system will be stopped in the execution phase here. So these two steps are the very important steps. In these two steps only, entire your upgrade, your SAP system will be upgraded in these two phases here. It's a very important phases, this one. So there is a one particular class. So more 1 hour it will take to explain this pre-processing and execution phase here. So, but we are not reached to up to that stage. So I will explain it clearly what exactly happens. It's everything here.
Sir, I have one doubt actually.
Yes, please.
Sir, after starting the execution phase, can we stop our upgrade?
No.
Can we restart?
No. So up to pre-processing, so anytime we can start it, we can reset. Means we don't want to do the upgrade now, we can reset back to the previous status. But when it is reached to the execution phase, it's a very dangerous phase here. Here in the dangerous phase means in the you are in the temperature of the, so maybe you are in the 16, 17, 15 degrees of the AC temperature also. So the sweat will come from you. So why? Because this is the type of dangerous status phase here. Why? Because the main systems will stop. Main system will be stopped here. Then, so if you want to, anytime if you want to revert back, you cannot roll back here. Either you need to fix the issue, either database restore is possible. So database restore means again is a time-taking process. You have to restore, you have to fix that issue. So anytime in the execution phase, if you face any issues, immediately we need to fix it. Otherwise, it means time taking means we don't have the, because business is stopped, the production business is stopped because of the upgrade, but you are in the upgrade issues. So then you need to fix it, either you need to roll back, either you have only two options. There is a time also nearing. I like you have only 1 hour time, you are only half an hour time. You are still checking the logs, fixing the issues means definitely business will shout. So that's why, so when you are in the execution phase, so it's not possible to roll back. Roll back means change the status to the previous status or reset the entire upgrade. It's not possible. So you have to make the business decision onto pre-processing phase only. So that's why when it comes to the pre-processing, when you are going to the next execution phase, it will ask you to just enter the, it will ask you to enter the next step, right? You don't enter the execution phase. Here, ask once. Just check with your manager. Can we go ahead with the downtime? Or so manager will check with the customer. So customer will give the green signal. Then here in between this pre-processing and execution phase, there is a checkpoint call, right? Checkpoint call. You understand, like go or green signal call, checkpoint call. There is a different naming convention. In this call, your functional team and development teams, they will log in. They will check your systems, everything is okay or not up to pre-processing phase. Okay, everything is okay, fine. Then immediately they will ask basis team to proceed with the next tab. Then when you click the next tab, it will go to the execution phase. Once it is entered into the execution phase, so even you cannot hold it, you cannot stop it, it will not hold it. It will continue to complete the execution here. Means actual work starts from here. So it's a dangerous phase here. So this is the very important dangerous phase. Here actual upgrade will happen in your original system. So if you want to stop, before only you need to stop it. Otherwise, once you click enter, so sorry, I forgot. Then immediately, if you want to stop it, you will get anywhere. You will not get any tab, any phase, nothing here. So you cannot hold it. There is no stop option also. See, anywhere you see the stop option now also, no, right? So that is the
Yes,
main thing
yes.
here.
And the other thing,
Understood.
we have 4 steps now. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So first we have 4 steps now.
Right.
So there itself it will ask now. That means when in execution it comes some bugs or something else. So if we done the first 4 steps in a proper way, anyway in a 4th or 5th step execution there will be no bugs or
Yeah.
anything. No?
Yeah, it will go clearly. So sometimes that is our bad day. In our bad day. So that time in the execution phase, we may face some issues. Then we have to we need to check the error message. What is the in this page? Okay, in this page, issue got error. Then what is this error log? Then we need to fix it. Sometimes what happens, everything will went well. All these phases went well. When you started the execution in middle, you may face the issues. Even that time you cannot start the SAP system. SAP it won't start. Why? Because in the execution phase, in the halfway, then you cannot roll back. Then you are in the dilemma. That's why I told you, right? You are in the minus degree temperature also. So we are the sweat will come from our bodies. Why? Because it's a dangerous phase. That's why. So we are not sure. We are the lucky guys. Then definitely. Normally we won't face any issues. But sometimes what happens in the execution phase also, execution phase only, we may face the issues. Sometimes if you are, all these 4 phases are went well, you won't get any issues. As I told you, right? Entirely, it's a patch, the patches which you are updating, and the database is in the which state it is database, and our good luck. So let me tell you one example here. I will pause the recording out. Won't face any issues. Okay, so it depends upon the patches which we are going to update, depends upon the tools which you are using. So we cannot accept when we may face the issues. So issue phases, you have to check the log, we need to fix it, we need to proceed further. That's it. Yesterday itself, yesterday only I done the one upgrade. Yesterday only I have done the one upgrade. I will show you that one. Same tools, same, but different patches only, but the procedure is same: extraction, configuration, checks, pre-processing, execution, post configuration, same. It's completed. Same. So let me show you why, because I can explain you main thing what exactly happens each and every phase. But if you explain it now, tomorrow, so when it comes to the pre-processing, again, you may ask the questions. So what's happening here, everything, right? So let's keep it running each and every phase. Maybe today, if you progress up to here, up to configuration and checks, then tomorrow, when you're in the pre-processing phase, I can clearly give the, so hands-on, I can clearly give the overview on the each and every phase here, right? So we have still time, no worries. So we can still time. So it will keep on running. So let's keep on running here. Okay. So let me show you the recent upgrade, which I have done it here. Okay. I'm pausing the recording here. So just clicking on the configuration step is completed. Just clicking on the checks phase here. In the checks phase, check the get the space requirement here. Checking the space and open everything, it will check, then it will take it further the pre-processing here. So we will pause it up to pre-processing. Okay, we will pause it up to pre-processing, so that tomorrow we'll discuss about the brief discussion. We will discuss about the pre-processing and execution phase and post-processing. So we can complete the upgrade procedure, then we can take it the next steps here. Okay, so we can pause it here. The checks phase will run, continue to run till So maybe up to maybe 15 to 20 minutes it will take it. So nothing will happen in the check space. It will check the free space at application level, DB level. It will check the any open old stuck update records found. It will check the any queues stuck in the SMQ2 or MCX queues. We'll check it out. If anything wrong, it will detect the issues. Then we need to clean up those entries. Just click on the retry. Then it will process the next step here. So like that, it will progress in this check space here. Okay. So we will pause it here for up to here. Then tomorrow we'll discuss about the pre-processing and execution and their some execution procedure.